And MD spoke to ET Now's Nayantara Rai. Let's hear in what aided the growth in Q4 for Nestle and what is the lineup of products that they may have over the next 1 year.
I think it's ultimately the team, the partners, the distributors and everybody else who has made the results happen. I think it's been a very satisfying first quarter. Normally you would expect one or two categories to give us the growth, but this has been a growth across categories. So milks and nutrition has grown, Maggi and the whole prepared food portfolio has also grown, chocolates and confectionery has grown, and also the coffee and beverages as well has grown and grown in volume terms. And I think that volume increase together with the new launches and the new products that we have put out into the market has led to this happy results that we have had to report for the first quarter.
I also have to ask you about that sensational headline in recent times, Nestle paying a lot of money, over $7 billion to sell Starbucks products across the world. Does India feature in that plan? There
is clearly a global understanding for the sale of the portion coffees in retail and also the out-of-home, the food service packs. This is what the announcement has been. Let us watch and wait the space.
I cannot believe your parent has not told you where India features in a very important market for them.
Well, parent has announced the birth of the new deal, and I believe that, as you might have read also, Nayantara, that the deal is to be fully consummated by the end of this year. So therefore, let's watch this space, and I'm sure we will have numerous interactions when we will share with you.
There's no doubt that you have also benefited from deflation of food articles. You have seen input prices go down. Look how milk is doing at the moment. How that must have been a big contributor for the good results as well.
No, sure, Nayantara. I think a benign commodity space price has together with scale benefits, because coming out of the Maggi issue, we have increased our volume now, and I think the advantages of scale also play into it. Part of the margin, of course, is also because of the base effect, as you know, in GST, because of the lower base effect, that also has contributed to the overall spread as far as the profitability is concerned.
You mentioned the GST effects. I have to ask you this because we've all read about the fact that how Nestle and a couple of other FMCG companies have been hauled up by the government. Notices have been sent out for denying benefits of the lower GST to consumers. Checks apparently have been submitted. Where does this entire controversy stand, and why didn't you pass on the benefit to your consumers more importantly?
Well, Nayantara, as far as the word hauled up is concerned, I'm sorry, but it is nowhere near being hauled up. The discussions that we have had with the Anti-Profiteering Authority have been extremely cordial, extremely professional, extremely candid and extremely transparent. There is no question of an issue of a notice or any kind of misdemeanor that has been done. This was a discussion around how GST benefits have been passed on. We were committed, and we were one of the first companies to announce it, that we are committed to passing on the benefits of GST down the stream. Now, obviously, there are operating issues as well when you pass on these benefits, because the fact of the matter is that if there is, for example, on a brand, a 50 paisa benefit, it's very difficult to pass on a 50 paisa benefit because of the issues of coinage. Similarly, in some cases, if you change the grammage of the product, it changes the taste of the product. And then you have a double whammy that you're giving extra grammage, but the consumer says, look, I don't like the taste of this product. So these are all the practicalities which we have also explained.
My final question to you before I let you go, and I'm asking this because it's considered to be and has been announced as India's largest FDI deal. I'm talking about Walmart and Flipkart. Now, Nestle has a global partnership with Walmart. Could this mean something good for the Indian unit?
For me, what is more important is that this investment that has been put into Flipkart really helps in terms of improving the backward linkages in the economy that we seek. So better cold chain management, better logistics management, better distribution management for the millions of farmers, for the millions of suppliers of goods and services. I think this can be a very, very positive step that is being taken. Now, let's see how this all pans out. As far as we are concerned, we are committed to Walmart, as indeed we are committed to all our customers.